What's up, Turbo Ravers? I'm at the service center and this is the car on display, the Skoda Kushaq. This is it's not mentioned which engine it is, but it's India's safest family car with 5-star child protection, adult protection and child protection as well. So this is finished in candy white. Chrome strip over here. This is the top of the line variant, as you can see with the alloy wheels. It's on display over here. It's got a sunroof, and here's the front profile. As you can see, it's completely very aggressive. Over here, you can see projector headlamps. Your indicator is finished in halogen, and your L-shaped DRL over here looks very sexy. Let's see the front profile again. Wonderful. Let's have a look at the side profile also. So it's a 4.225 meter in length car. Dimensions are almost the same as a Slavia, 176 centimeters in breadth and 188 millimeters in ground clearance. So as we step inside, you can see your auto window function, your ORVM function, your window locking. Door handle is finished in chrome. This is in piano black. This is not beige, this is a little lighter grey. This is your soft touch finished in leather. This is all hard plastic. And that's your ORVM over there. Big ORVMs. Let's sit inside. So these seats are manually adjustable for height and reach. You have your tilt and telescopic steering wheel. There you go. Your digital layout. Alright. Your 8-inch touchscreen. Okay. This is the style variant. Your DSG gearbox. I believe it is the DSG gearbox. I'll have to look inside the bonnet and see whether this is the 1.5 liter or the 1 liter, then I'll be able to give you better clarity. You've got the 12-volt charging socket. You've got 2 USB-C ports over here. You've got your armrest, adjustable, finished in leather with storage. 2 cup holders over here, 1 small cup holder in the middle. A ticket holder placed over here. This is much more convenient than where it is placed in the Slavia, but I believe rarely people will use this ticket holder. You've got a small storage over here. Oh, you don't have a storage over here like in the Slavia, so that's weird. Anyway, you've got a glove box over here with cooling function, no light. Okay, your AC vents over here, your ventilated seat functions for the co-driver, ventilated for the driver, lock, hazard light function and auto start function as well. Your AC is the same as the Slavia's. This is basically your music system. This is your volume. This is your voice activation. This is for changing the display of the digital layout, and the rest is all the same. This is for looking at the vehicle data. This is for your volume. All right, let's just press it once, and key not detected. Hold key next to the car. So that's the Skoda animation. I believe you're aware about the digital display layout of this car, and I don't have to elaborate on it. All right. So you have some accessories over here: car care, starter kit, Skoda perfume, Skoda. This is the car on display in the service center that I'm in right now, and that's about it. More or less everything is the same. This is your headlight switch on, switch off, and fog light switch on, switch off function. Your headlight leveler. Okay. This is the This is the DSG, I believe. This is your brake, and this is your accelerator. You've got a proper dead pedal over here, and that's about it in the front. The seats are finished in leather. Let's get to the back seat. First of all, let me show you the sunroof. Okay, sunroof is pretty big. Will it open? It won't open right now as I don't have the key with me, but the sunroof is really big. Nice, impressive. Let's cover it up. You can see the big Skoda logo over there. Alright, this is the auto dimming IRVM. Okay, alright, covered pretty much everything in the front. Let's go in the back and check out the back seat. So, driving seat is set to my position. Again, plenty of leg room, as this is a, this has a longer wheelbase. I mean, the wheelbase is the same as the Slavia, but it's pretty damn long. So, plenty of knee room, plenty of leg room. I'm sitting in a relaxed position, and if I sit a little upright, again I get more leg space on offer. Over here we have your armrest, the two cup holders, anti-slip. All right, and yeah, its space is comfortable, very nice place to be in. The lights are gone. Let's switch on this one. Okay, you've got cabin lights over here, LEDs, cabin lights in the front. They also finished in LEDs. You've got sunshades installed. I think this comes as an accessory over here and over here. And then again, you get your auto window setup over here. You get your speaker setup over there. I'm sorry, it's really dark and it's unable to show you. Over there, you get a speaker setup, auto window setup over there on that side. You get your phone holder and your magazine holder here. As you can see, the phone holder is here and the magazine holder is here. So all three passengers get ahead. Space is pretty decent inside this car, and it's really solid built. As you want to hear the thud, I can make you hear it. Yep, reassuring, 5-star safety for a reason. And yeah, that's about it from the rear space of the car. Let's go outside and check out the exteriors once again. So the alloys are finished. These are 17-inch alloys, 205 by 55. Nice color to the alloys. Again, 17 inches written over here. Nice finishing. This is the body cladding. You can take it off-roading, like not complete off-roading, but mini off-roading for sure. And this is your fuel panel. This is how it's finished in the back. Skoda badging over there and Kushaq over there. These are LED tail lights. This is finished in halogen. And these are your reflectors, I believe. This is your proper spoiler. And these roof rails are proper functional, as you can see. We have functional roof rails, and that's the shark fin antenna finished in glossy black. Alright. And let's check out the boot. The boot space is pretty decent. Again, I think it's around 400 liters, but I will mention the size on the screen over here. You got a parcel tray, you got two cushions, and it's really easy to open and close. So that's really nice. Again, let's have a look at the side profile. So this is the Kushaq. I want to see the engine bay once, which engine this is, so that I can get better clarity. Okay, so this is the 1 liter engine. So that was not the DSG gearbox, that was the torque converter. This is the 1 liter TSI engine, but it's from the exterior you won't be able to make out until 1.5 TSI is written on the back. Nowadays, I think all the Kushaq and the Slavias are getting the 1.5 TSI badging, but I think that's only in the top model, like the lava blue edition of the Slavia and the matte edition of the Kushaq. That's a strong third over there. It's a really well built vehicle. So this is the walk around of the 1 liter TSI Skoda Kushaq. So I'm here also for my car's service, the Skoda Slavia, and I'll keep you all updated about that as well. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you guys in the next one, Turbo Reverse. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.
Straight to the